Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma arinal haqqa haqqan warzuqna ittiba'ahu wa arinal batila batilan warzuqna ijtinaba. Allahumma ighfir lana warhamna warda 'anna wa taqabbal minna wa adkhilna al-jannata wa najjina minan nar wa aslih lana sha'nana kullahu. Today inshallah we'll recite Hadith 2418 in Mishkat Sharif, and this is a very important hadith for people who have the problem of anger. And see what Rasulullah is teaching us. وعن سليمان بن سرد رضي الله تعالى عنه قال استب رجلان عند النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم ونحن عنده جلوس وأحدهما يسب صاحبه مغضبا قد احمر وجهه فقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إني لا لعلم كلمة لو قالها لذبح عنه ما يجد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فقالوا للرجل ألا تسمع ما يقول النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال إني لست بمجنون متفق عليه. So this is a very beautiful hadith, that how one should control the anger. In this beautiful narration, Salman bin Sarad radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu has reported that Rasulullah, there are two people in the presence of Rasulullah when they started arguing and started verbal fight with each other. Although Rasulullah is sitting among them, so one of them became very angry and he started cursing the other one, and his face became red. As soon as Rasulullah saw him, Rasulullah says, I know a kalma, that if he recite that kalma, his anger will go away. And then Rasulullah recited the kalma. And what was the kalma? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Rasulullah says, say, I come in the protection of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from shaitan mardud. And all the sahabi asked that person who was angry that, haven't you listened Rasulullah? And he replied that I am not Majnoon. That means he listened and he obeyed Rasulullah and his anger was gone. Because only Majnoon person in the presence of Rasulullah, and Rasulullah say something, will not gonna follow that. So this is such a beautiful hadith highlighting the control of anger, because the most loss you can do to yourself financially, mentally, physically, in any aspect is when you are angry. Because when someone become overcome by the anger, then it is actually shaitan is exciting and inciting that anger to be to the point where they do something that will harm them, and they will have a remorse for the rest of their life. And Rasulullah is giving us such a beautiful way of coming out of anger. Say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. And also, Rasulullah is in this hadith is also mentioning that when Rasulullah says something, only a Majnoon person will not gonna act on it. So, if you have any sanity, if you have any realization, and if you have any thought process, then know that Rasulullah is there for your benefit, to make you happen good in this dunya and hereafter, and to protect you from the shaitan by saying this beautiful word, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Also in other narration it is mentioned that Rasulullah says that go away from the place where you are. So if you are having an argument with a person, go away from that person. Also Rasulullah mentioned in certain other hadiths that go and drink some water, because water is going to extinguish the fire, the anger that you have, that shaitan has incited on you. In another narration Rasulullah also advised us to go and make wudu. And also in another narration Rasulullah is mentioned that if you are in standing, you should sit down. If you are sitting down, you should lie down. So change your position, because that will help you to get away from the angry focus to something else that you can think about. And say from your word, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. So this is a very important uh, advice and order from our beloved messenger that we should protect ourselves from anger and come into the protection of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.